Malvar is located 68 kilometers south of Manila and easily accessible via the Star Tollway. Malvar is bound by Tanawan City to the north, Santo Tomas to the east, Lipa City to the south, and Balete to the west. With the continuous expansion of Metro Manila, the town is now part of Manila's conurbation, whose built-up area reaches Lipa City. Welcome to Malvar. Malvar is a second-class municipality in the province of Batangas, Philippines. As of 2009, the population of Malvar was 41,270 and the total number of households was 8,678. The municipality was named after General Miguel Malvar, the last Filipino general to surrender to the American government in the Philippines in 1902. With its distinct taste when brewed, the Kapeng Barako Batangas coffee has amazed both local and foreign palate. Locally grown in the fertile lands of Batangas, the Kapeng Barako has become one of the most popular things associated with the province. Barako, a Tagalog word which means strong man or manliness, and kape means coffee. Because of its strong taste, it got the name Kapeng Barako. Kapeng Barako turned out to be a common name for all coffee from Batangas. It's a rare and exotic coffee fully grown in Lipa and other high places in Batangas and known for its strong taste. Batangas brew is actually Liberica coffee, which originated in Liberia in West Africa. The coffee bean was brought to the Philippines and planted in Lipa by the Spaniards during the Spanish colonial era. Since Lipa is located in a high altitude area, one factor to grow good quality coffee beans. And the good climate and soil made it distinct in quality with other Liberia varieties, which is now popularly called Kapeng Barako in the Philippines. Your Batangas food trip will not be complete without our very own Batangas Lomi. Since the 80s, Lomi houses mushroom along the roads and towns of the province. Callejon Falls is located in Barangay San Gregorio, formerly called Callejon. The spot is easily accessible via Star Tollway Bulihan exit. From Manila, take a bus bound for Batangas City or Lipa City, then drop at town of Malvar. Jeepneys and tricycles service Barangay San Gregorio from the town proper. The 5-kilometer stretch of road is well paved and smooth, even for small cars. Upon reaching the area, a series of 300 concrete steps going down the river will have to be taken. Madulas po. Pagpaakyat na lang po. Opo. Madulas daw po. Magumot yan, madulas. Lalay na lang. Madulas daw po dito. Oops. Lapit na tayo sa falls. Tingin mo na siya dinadaanan. Pwede mo picture dito. Oops. Saan? Dito? Yun. Hindi sasama yung bahay. May bahay? Parang yung bahay.
Oops. Mhm. Madami. Mm. Brown ang tubig. Nangangati na ako. Hmm? Hala. Trisha, ha? Yung daan. Tingnan mo.
Trisha, tingnan sa dadaanan. Huwag ka mag-shortcut. Sakit yan.
Mamaya bilangin mo, ha?
Ganun na kasi hindi naman mabibilang.
Kita mo na yung call?
Hmm.
Kung ako na malapitan, gusto mo na lang. So yung sa contest na sinali sa Facebook, dito yata ano naman ito. Bumabasa doon. Yung picture.
Nasaan yung malaking falls?
Ano yun eh. Kilala ko na sa isang post pa nga. So, kaya.
Callejon Falls consists of two major waterfalls and two smaller ones. One of the biggest falls is about 10 feet high with a great volume of clear water gushing down to a shallow pool. One of the two smaller falls is a shower lake, while the other one forms a series of small cascades. All the falls are located in an area about 300 square meters. Its waters come from natural springs just right above it, which is reputed to be a very good source of fresh, sparkling drinking water. A well known national distributor of bottled drinking water actually taps the springs above it as its source of mineral water. The water from the falls is dangerously warm and pleasant to bathe in. The falls can be reached by taking a short hike from the barangay road and about 300 steps down the concrete pathway built by the barangay.
Puro kayo doon sa kids.
It is actually nice to see that there are still natural resources here in the Philippines, especially in my province. If you have time, you can visit Callejon Falls. It's free and you sure will have a great time.